Welcome back, and we're moving to a different topic, and this is creating and applying title block in COMOSYS. Remember, in COMOSYS, we prepare the whole title block in AutoCAD and we save it as a DXF file 2000 and then import it to COMOSYS as our title block that will apply in COMOSYS. Now, I had prepared my own title block in AutoCAD and saved it as a DX file. Then I'll import it into COMOSYS and apply it on my drawings. Remember, creating a title block in AutoCAD is very easy and you don't need to go all that journey. And I would advise you prepare your DX file title block and import it and follow the procedure I'm going to share with you here. Now, if I come to drawings and report menu, and I go to submenu of drawings report called here named drawing settings, and if I click on that drop down arrow, I'll come to drawing layout settings like that. So then once I click on that, I'll be able to have layout manager here. So we have buttons here, layout, DX templates, we have material list template. So all these are templates we can prepare and bringing it into AutoCAD, into COMOSYS. So though all these are available, and it's upon you to pick whichever one you want to apply on your title block or in your drawing frame. So I'll come to layout. If you see layout, we have three categories of drawings. We have assembly layout. We have A4. We can apply A4. So the moment you click A4, you can see I have my title blocks already in place. I have them here. So you can also rearrange the position of your title block. Maybe if I come to preview, you can see my title block will appear here, and the bold list will appear there, and the material list will appear there if I use that title block. If I pick on that, and if I pick on that, the same way the arrangement will be. Let me just uncheck that. And if you come to part layout and you pick any size there, and see if I pick this title block because I had picked that and imported it, then if I come to preview, I can see the arrangement of my title block. You can see the title block will be there, the material list and the part in assembly list will be there. So let me just uncheck that and show you how we can import and include it in the list here. So you always go to DXF templates there. So from here, we'll go straight to the directory where we've saved our title block in DXF 2000 in AutoCAD and save it as a DX file 2000. That's only way you will be able to import it into COMOSYS. Then just click on this button here to track down where you saved your DX file. Then in my case, I saved it somewhere here. And if I come here, I'll be able to click on COMOSYS title blocks. So I have so many title blocks here, so I can just pick one here, maybe A0, and maybe A0, or I can just go to A3 that. Let me just pick that one there. And if I click open, I'll be able to have this in my I'll be able to have the directory of that particular DX file folder is even linked here. So I can put the name of this file, of this template or this title block here, by maybe just selecting half part of that to that end, then right click and come to copy and just paste that name, template name right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click it as new. So the moment I click it new, it will be included here. So maybe give it a different name. Maybe I have a different one here. Let me just type maybe Udemy. Udemy there. So the moment I click new, and please select the DX type. I'll click on that and pick title block right here. So the moment I click on that, I'll be able to click new, and it will be added here. You can see the Udemy title block right there. So I can always go ahead and click update and click save. So the moment I click save and come to layout here and pick the assembly and maybe pick A3, I'll be able to have that file or that title block already included here. So you can see it is Udemy. You can see the U there, the A3 U there. So I can, if I want to include it here, just go ahead and click on that arrow right there to include it here. So you can see I can use this, but then take out this one here. So I remain with a Udemy, a title block. So I can see the arrangement on my drawing frame by coming to click view here. So you can see it's juggled up and I want to position it somewhere here. So how do you deal with that? So we have the drawing frame, which is this, which is the whole, the biggest rectangle that this title block and this material list are anchored. So we want to anchor this at the bottom end here. So how do you do that? We'll come here and select it. So the moment you select on it, we'll come here and maybe try and locate it somewhere there, but it's out. So then let's select on that, and we are set there. So anytime you want to locate this, just select on a particular and select the corners here that matches the corner of that rectangular and match with this. Like in this particular case, the corner of this edge here is matching with the edge here. The edge of this material list here is matching with this. So you select that corner should match with that. Then if you come to bolt list here, you can see the bolt list, this corner here will match with the corner at that end. So we just make sure these are selected. So in our case, this is set and good to be used. So we'll go ahead and just click save. So the moment click save and close, we'll have that in place. So if you come here and select any part there and right click and come to special copy, and maybe we want to create assembly drawings, we come to create drawings, and maybe you want to create assembly drawings right there. So you can give it some time to process that information. Then we'll go back and double click that, and we'll be able to see if any drawing created here. And we can see the A3, but you can just as well just double click on it and have it in place. So the extensive topic about this I'll be able to share with you, but you cannot still have it here. I'll show you how you can pull it in and make it work straight. But that is the procedure of pulling in your title block into COMOSYS. But don't worry because you've not seen our title block here. A reason why is because we'll set a different topic specifically for that, on how we can bring in the title block into our drawing. So let's meet then on a different topic, and I hope you'll try that to pull in the title block into COMOSYS and work with it in all your drawings. So let's meet then, and bye bye.